Run back again, and we've got a pretty awesome unboxing to do today. So we've got the new VENOM Diabolos to open up, and there's a lot of hype around this bay at the moment, and so I'm really keen to check him out. We'll do a rundown of all the parts, and then give him a quick test fire, probably get the stickers on him as well. Looks like there's not a huge amount of stickers, but I'm sure he'll look all the better for it with those on. Alright, I'll go through the list of contents in the box here. So in the box we get the DIABOLOS Katinko chip, and with the weight, which is actually a part of that chip as well. And then we've got the erase left spinning layer there, that comes in the box, and then the VENOM right spinning layer. Also we've got the Vanguard disc and frame, and the bullets driver, which is actually a two-piece driver, which I'm also pretty keen to experience myself. So yeah, that being said, we'll get into opening this guy up and have a look at the contents. Two stickers on, bits of sticky tape on this guy. Might actually have to cut the third one here. Let's see if I can get this guy to come out of the box. Yeah, there we go. So right there, the stickers. So it didn't look like there was very many with him, but I'm sure they look great when they're on. And we've actually got a nice long ripcord, pull cord there, and just cut a bit more of the sticky tape away. A left-right launcher, very similar to the left-right launcher which you get with Spriggan. Alright, very nice. I'll quickly grab a set of scissors. Okay, got my scissors. I'll just cut this guy open real quick. Alright, get it all out in the stadium here. Wow, and that looks so nice. I love that gold, red and black. Even the blue there sets off the colour nicely. I was saying, get this out. The weight's actually attached to the Katinko chip with this one. I'll flip him over and have a quick look at the teeth, and just 3 teeth on this guy. Not many clicks but they are nice and deep by the looks of it, so I'm sure they hold good. Very nice. And then we've got the erase layer here, and nice white red color. Stick the chip on him real quick, and that actually looks really quite nice with those colors as well. Very nice looking bay. A quick look at the Vanguard disc and frame here. It's quite different, pretty interesting design. Nice see-through red color. And then finally we've got the bullet driver, which I think it takes a bit of a push, to get that to separate. So this acts pretty much like the Phoenix layer system, where it separates from the bay and creates a bit of a pincer action, attacking the opponent from two sides. This looks like how get him back together real quick there. So we might go away and put our stickers on, and then we'll come back for a test launch. Alright, got our stickers on our Katinko chip now, and I'll just piece him together real quick and see what the color scheme looks like when it's all assembled. We'll go with the Venom layer first. So that looks pretty nice actually. There's a little bit of extra blue there with the stickers. Goes well with all the red and gold and the blue center. So I'll throw him together, and then we'll do a quick test fire. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. So I'm not expecting to see the bullet driver activate. Pretty sure it'll take a battle to get that guy to fire off. Just want to see how he looks while he's spinning, and the balance. So it looks pretty well balanced, and looks pretty nice while it's spinning also. So that's the Venom layer. So I might switch him quickly over to the erase layer, and check out the color scheme with that guy as well. Wow, actually that looks really nice also. Wow, yeah, I'm not too sure which one I like now the most. The Venom or erase layer. That's pretty awesome. Okay, I'll piece him together real quick as well. So, and give him a test fire. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Tell you what, that looks nice while it's spinning as well. That red sort of mixes together white's spinning, giving a bit of an outer rim of red there. That's awesome. Okay. Well, so far I'm really loving this bay. That'll be it for me today, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, enjoy the rest of your day.